Did you know that some phone calls can connect you to the dead? Nick worked as a phone repair guy. One day he noticed something weird. During power outages, certain numbers would dial themselves. When he listened in, he heard voices of dead people having full conversations. Nick discovered these numbers belonged to people who died while talking on the phone. Their souls got trapped in the phone system. The dead callers started calling back, begging Nick to help them escape what they called the phone void. Nick traced all the calls to one cell tower. It was built on top of an old cemetery where hundreds of people were buried. But then something terrifying happened. Nick's own phone number appeared in the auto dial system. That's when Nick realized the horrible truth. He had died months ago. He was electrocuted while fixing that same haunted cell tower. His consciousness had been trapped in the phone network this whole time. He wasn't helping dead people escape. He was unknowingly connecting their lost souls while believing he was still alive. Sometimes the dead don't know they're dead.